So you've probably heard of retail therapy. Well, I'm in the shop today on a Sunday afternoon doing detail therapy. Very similar concept, having one of those days where you just need a break from the world and you need to go do something you love doing. For my wife, that might be retail therapy, going shopping. For me, it's detail therapy. So I just love working on my car. As many of you know, anyone that's following the Obsessed Ownership series knows that. Today, I'm working under the hood and doing a much deeper clean than I've done before. You'll notice I've done a lot to prepare for this. I took the insulation off of here so that I could clean thoroughly underneath, and I'll also clean the insulation before that gets put back up. I've also taken all of the wires off so that I can get more easily. These are for the heated windshield wiper nozzles sprayers. Took the wires off so I can have better access to this. I've got this piece of wood here. You'll notice on the other side there's the strut that I removed from the hood so that I could get behind it. There's a lot of dirt behind there. It almost never gets cleaned for the couple of reasons. It's under the hood. Not many people have the same passion that I do for that, but also it's tucked away in a difficult to reach corner. So when I do a deep clean like this, I'll go to that sort of trouble to do it. What you'll see is this half hasn't been done yet and this half has. So the most noticeable places where you'll see that there is just a lot of staining. This is more than just something that's going to wipe off easily. But over on this side, I've got that all removed. It probably took me 5 times with a degreaser, steam, and a microfiber to go after that. And then you'll also see down on the edge where the insulation was, there was a line. Let me see if I can point more closely. Kind of a line right there. You can still see there's some spots where there's paint missing. But I'll put a photo up or another video that you'll be able to see just how dirty that was. Didn't come off with cleaning. I needed to get in there with just a gentle polish, something with a little bit of abrasive to knock that remaining dirt off of there. So deep clean just on the hood. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and put it all back together, getting this entire bottom side of the hood done and ready to go for the season. Check out the other Obsessed Ownership videos if you want to see 5 or 6 different videos of the work that's gone into getting this car ready for daily use, as well as follow our page if you want more tips and tricks on how to do deep cleaning in the areas that are really difficult to get to.